The first thing to realize is that the word artificial in the phrase artificial intelligence is real.
5 big myths of artificial intelligence. Have you ever woken up in a world that felt different? Like the lines between reality and sci-fi movies blurred overnight. Or maybe you dream of having your own AI assistant that reads your mind and walks your dog? Artificial intelligence, AI, is rapidly changing our world, and there's a ton of confusion out there. Forget everything you think you know about robots taking over, because the truth is even weirder. In this mind-blowing video, we're debunking the 5 biggest myths about AI that will shatter your perception of this powerful technology. So buckle up, hit that subscribe button, and get ready to have your mind officially bent. Myth 1. Many believe that AI can effortlessly untangle any messy data you throw at it. Reality. AI isn't a magic fix. The quality of data reigns supreme over the sophistication of algorithms. Imagine feeding a picky eater a plate of random ingredients and expecting them to whip up a gourmet meal. That's kind of how AI works with data. AI algorithms are like skilled chefs. They need the right ingredients or data to create something useful. Just feeding them any kind of data won't do. The data needs to be relevant to the task at hand, like a recipe is relevant to a specific dish. AI systems also need high-quality data, just like a chef needs fresh ingredients. If the data is messy or inaccurate, the AI's results will be too, regardless of how fancy the algorithm is. When it comes to AI, data is king. But not just any data, it's about having the right data tailored to the specific problem at hand. Contrary to popular belief, you can't simply dump all of your data into an AI system and expect miracles. This load and go mentality overlooks a crucial aspect: the vast complexity of enterprise knowledge. Imagine trying to teach Watson to play Jeopardy with a mountain of unrefined information. It just doesn't work. In fact, loading too much data can actually hinder performance. That's because AI needs data that's been carefully curated and polished. Think of it like feeding a hungry brain. It craves high-quality input to produce accurate output. In the world of machine learning, where algorithms learn and evolve, data quality is paramount. It's not just about having the fanciest algorithm, it's about feeding it the right data so it can learn effectively. Like a student studying for an exam, AI needs well-prepared material to excel. In essence, AI is only as good as the data you give it. Garbage in, garbage out, it's as simple as that. So before expecting AI to work wonders, focus on providing it with the right fuel: clean, relevant data. Myth number 2. Using AI for business requires a team of data experts and a bottomless budget. Reality. Accessible AI tools are changing the game, making advanced technology more feasible for businesses of all sizes. Sure, some AI applications demand the brainpower of PhDs and tech wizards, but don't let that intimidate you. There's a whole world of user-friendly AI tools waiting to be explored. From voice recognition like Amazon's Alexa to smart chatbots, the tech giants have already done the heavy lifting. That means you don't need a Google-sized budget to tap into AI's potential. Take voice recognition, for example. Alexa's mastered the art of understanding speech in noisy environments, paving the way for easier integration into business applications. Suddenly, tasks like setting up a voice interface for customer service becomes much more manageable, even for non-experts. Training AI might sound like a complex task reserved for data scientists, but it's not as daunting as it seems. In many cases, the data used to teach AI systems is the same stuff your call center team deals with every day. So instead of relying solely on tech gurus, businesses can leverage their own expertise to tailor AI to their needs. Bringing AI into your business isn't a solo endeavor. It's about assembling a team with diverse skills. Think techies, content experts, UX designers to make the magic happen. And with the right tools and know-how, even smaller businesses can harness the power of AI to drive success. So don't let the myths scare you off. AI is more accessible than ever, and the possibilities are endless. Myth 3. Cognitive AI can tackle any problem just like the human brain. Reality. Cognitive technologies have limits. They can only solve the problems they're designed for. Let's clear the air on what cognitive AI can and can't do. While it's true that these technologies excel at handling tasks that stump traditional programming, they're not miracle workers. They're tailored to specific challenges, like deciphering ambiguous language, recognizing images, or navigating complex environments. Take the word stock, for instance. It could mean inventory for a retailer or an investment for a financial advisor. cognitive AI uses clever tools like ontologies to grasp these nuances, sorting out meanings based on context clues and sentence structure. Then there's image recognition, where cognitive AI shines. It can spot people, animals, and objects in all sorts of lighting and settings, a feat that's not easy for standard programs. And let's not forget about navigating tricky situations like self-driving cars maneuvering through traffic, or robots working on a factory floor. Cognitive AI handles these tasks by adapting to changing conditions, much like a human would. But here's the catch. Cognitive AI can't venture into uncharted territory. It needs clear guidelines and scenarios to work its magic. Humans still call the shots, defining the boundaries within which AI operates. Think of it as setting the boundaries of a playing field for the AI. Within those boundaries, cognitive AI can be a powerful tool, but it can't jump outside the lines and start playing a whole new game. While cognitive AI mimics human problem-solving in some ways, it's not on par with our ability to tackle new challenges. The dream of general AI, machines that can think like us, is still a distant one with no clear path forward. In short, cognitive AI is a powerful tool within its limits. It's great at what it's designed for, but it's not about to take over the world anytime soon. We'll need some major breakthroughs before AI can match the breadth of human intelligence. Myth 4. Machine learning with neural nets equals computer learning just like humans. Reality, neural nets are impressive, but they're nowhere near replicating the complexity of the human brain. Enter the world of deep learning, a fascinating field powered by artificial neural networks. These networks mimic the way our brains recognize patterns, enabling computers to tackle tasks like language translation, speech recognition, fraud detection, and even driving cars. It's cutting-edge stuff, no doubt. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. While neural nets are great at solving certain problems, they're far from matching the depth and breadth of human thinking. Take Watson, the Jeopardy-playing supercomputer, for example. Its ability to connect seemingly unrelated concepts wowed audiences. But it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. The Jeopardy project was a massive undertaking, requiring meticulous planning, fine-tuning algorithms, and a hefty investment of time and money. Why the disparity? Well, let's peek inside the human brain. With over 200 billion neurons and trillions of connections between them, it's a marvel of complexity. Each neuron communicates with thousands of others through intricate synapses, each containing up to 1,000 molecular switches. And let's not forget about the neurotransmitters regulating this intricate dance of information exchange. It's mind-boggling, literally. Comparing this biological masterpiece to our current technology, it's no surprise we're not there yet. The human brain boasts more switches than all the computers, routers, and internet connections on Earth combined. That's a staggering level of sophistication. So, while neural nets are a promising step forward, they're still light years away from replicating human thought. We're making strides, but we've got a long road ahead before we can truly rival the complexity of our own minds. Myth 5. AI spells the end for human jobs, particularly in contact centers. Reality, AI is not here to replace us. It's here to enhance our capabilities and streamline processes. Throughout history, technological advancements have reshaped industries and displaced certain jobs. From telephone operators to receptionists, the march of progress has inevitably altered the employment landscape. But let's not forget, with every job lost, new opportunities emerge, albeit with different skill requirements. The same holds true for AI in contact centers. Yes, AI-driven chatbots and virtual assistants are transforming customer service, but they're not here to kick humans to the curb. Instead, they're augmenting our abilities, making us more efficient and effective in our roles. Consider the evolution of call center technology, from screening resumes with machine learning to routing calls based on caller sentiment. AI has revolutionized how we handle customer interactions. But crucially, it's not about replacing human touch. It's about enhancing it. Think of it as a partnership. Humans engage, machines simplify. Together, we create a synergy that elevates customer service to new heights. Bots and digital workers act as the backbone, handling routine tasks with precision and speed. Meanwhile, humans step in at critical decision points, bringing empathy and judgment to the table. Sure, some jobs may change or even disappear, but that's the nature of progress. What's important is recognizing that AI isn't about complete automation, it's about empowerment. The role of the customer service representative is evolving, shifting from answering mundane questions to providing personalized, emotionally resonant experiences. In essence, AI isn't a threat, it's a tool. And like any tool, it's up to us to wield it wisely. Instead of fearing the future, we should embrace it. AI enables us to deliver better service at lower costs, paving the way for the super CSR of tomorrow. But let's not get complacent. The world is becoming increasingly complex, and the need for human judgment has never been greater. AI can handle the mundane, but it's humans who excel at navigating the nuances of human interaction. So while the myths about AI may be unfounded, its potential is very real. It's up to us to harness that potential, to continue refining and improving how we use AI in our contact centers. The future is here, and it's augmented by AI. Let's embrace it and take our customer service to the next level.